Pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up into a ball when scared. They have spiky skin and tiny fins. Some pufferfish are poisonous. Angelfish. Angelfish are brightly colored reef fish. They have thin, tall bodies with fancy fins. They are popular in aquariums. Sea otter. Sea otters float on their backs in the ocean. They crack open shellfish with rocks. Their fur is thick and fluffy to keep them warm. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are white and have round heads. They can make many different sounds. They live in Arctic waters and are very friendly. Manta rays are huge rays with wide, flat bodies. They flap gracefully through the ocean. They eat tiny plankton by filtering water. Narwhals are whales with long spiral tusks. People call them the unicorns of the sea. They live in cold Arctic waters. Sea urchins are round and covered with sharp spines. They crawl slowly on the seafloor. They eat algae with a special mouth called Aristotle's lantern. Corals look like colorful underwater rocks. They are made of tiny animals called polyps. Coral reefs are home to many sea creatures. Sea snakes have long, slender bodies. They live in warm tropical seas. Many sea snakes are very poisonous. Electric eels can make strong electric shocks. They use electricity to hunt and protect themselves. They live in rivers and swamps but are linked to the sea world. Parrotfish have bright colors and beak-like mouths. They bite coral to eat the algae inside. They help keep coral reefs healthy. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. It has white spots on its gray body. Even though it is huge, it eats only tiny plankton. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide, flat heads shaped like hammers. Their eyes are on the sides, giving them great vision. They swim in warm coastal waters. Lionfish. Lionfish have long, spiky fins that look like a lion's mane. They are brightly striped with red, white, and brown. Their spines can sting and are poisonous. Shrimps are small crustaceans with long antennae. They can be pink, red, or transparent. Shrimps live in groups and clean the sea by eating tiny bits of food. Orca, killer whale. Orcas are black and white whales with tall dorsal fins. They are strong hunters and work together in pods. Orcas eat fish, seals, and even sharks. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of disguise. They can change colors and patterns quickly. They also have a special shell inside called a cuttlebone. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in empty snail shells. As they grow bigger, they find new shells. They carry their homes everywhere they go. Barnacles are tiny animals that stick to rocks and ships. They have hard shells and open little legs to catch food. They live in tidal zones near the shore. Anchovies are small silverfish. They swim in huge schools. Many larger fish, birds, and even humans eat them. Ocean sunfish. Mola. The sunfish is huge and round. It looks like a giant swimming disc. They bask in sunlight near the surface. Belcher's sea snake. Belcher's sea snake is small and slim. It has yellow skin with black bands. It is one of the most poisonous snakes in the sea. Frilled shark. Frilled sharks have long bodies with frilly gills. They look like ancient sea dragons. They live deep in the ocean. Sea lice are tiny crustaceans. They attach to fish and feed on them. They live in both fresh and salt water. Cookie cutter shark. Cookie cutter sharks are small and brown. They take round bites out of larger animals. Their bites look like cookie shapes. Blue-ringed octopus. This octopus is small, but very dangerous. Its blue rings glow when it feels threatened. It carries strong poison in its body. Sea pen. Sea pens look like glowing feathers in the water. They are actually colonies of tiny animals. They live stuck in soft sand. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks have stripes on their bodies. They eat many different sea animals. They are strong hunters in tropical seas. Sea lily. Sea lilies look like underwater flowers with long stalks. They attach to rocks or sand. They wave their arms to catch food. Sea catfish. Sea catfish have whiskers like land cats. They live in shallow coastal waters. Some can even make sounds by rubbing bones together. Portuguese man-o-war. This looks like a jellyfish but is not one. It has a purple-blue balloon on top and long stinging tentacles. It floats on the ocean surface. Ribbon eel. Ribbon eels are long and skinny. They are bright blue with yellow mouths. They hide in sandy burrows in coral reefs. Spotted eagle ray. These rays have dark bodies with white spots. They glide like birds underwater. They use their flat teeth to crush shellfish. Sea skater. Some species of sea skaters live only in the open Pacific Ocean. They are the only bugs on the waves. They use their legs to walk on water. Black-tip reef shark. Black-tip reef sharks have black tips on their fins. They live in shallow reefs. They are quick swimmers and curious hunters. Sea pig. Sea pigs are strange pink sea cucumbers. They live deep on the ocean floor. They walk on tiny legs and eat mud for food. Archerfish. Archerfish are small and silver. They can shoot water from their mouths to knock insects into the sea. They live in mangroves and rivers near the ocean. Giant squid. Giant squids have huge eyes and long arms. They live deep in the ocean where it's dark. They are rarely seen by humans. Leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragons look like floating seaweed. Their leafy fins help them hide from predators. They live near southern Australian coasts. Oarfish are long, ribbon-like fish. They can grow very tall, like sea serpents. They live deep in the ocean and rarely come up.